Now, suppose I want my parabola to have its vertex somewhere other than the origin. Say at this point here, let's call it h comma k. Now, if I've already determined the value of a, right, which determines the shape of my parabola, in other words, how fast or slow it opens, then all I still need to do to get my vertex where I want it to be is take this graph, move it h units over and k units up. In other words, I need to apply a vertical translation of h units followed by a horizontal translation of k units. Now, to implement those changes in the equation, all I have to do is replace x with x minus h and y with y minus k. And what I end up with, right, is I get my new general form of the equation of a parabola. So I've summarized the four possible scenarios we talked about before here. These equations are the exact same ones that we saw in the last lecture, where we have the vertex at the origin, but with the two translations applied. So the ones that have the x's being squared, if the a term is positive, this opens up, and if the a term is negative, it opens down, right? And we've got the left and right scenarios down here. If when the y terms are being squared, positive a opens to the right, negative a opens to the left, and now we have our vertex at just whatever arbitrary point we need it to be at. So in the next lecture, we're going to take these four equations and see how we can use them to get information about a parabola if we're given its specific equation.